Let's solve the following applied problem. On June 10th, Darlene's bank account had a balance of $285.17. 10 days later, her account was overdrawn by $47.88. What was the total value of checks that Darlene wrote? To solve this applied problem, it seems that Darlene's bank account began with a balance of $285.17. And from this, she wrote checks in the amount of some number, so that as she writes these checks, she'll subtract these amount of checks from 285.17. The result is that her bank account is now overdrawn by an amount of $47.88. So we'll subtract some amount that she wrote in checks from her bank balance to arrive at her new account balance, which is overdrawn by $47.88. To represent this as overdrawn, we'll represent it as a negative. So it seems whatever number that we're subtracting from 285.17 to arrive at a negative balance would need to be larger than 285.17. This would imply that we should add 285.17 added to $47.88. By adding this amount, this will be how much she withdrew from her checks. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 more is 10. Bring down the decimal point and carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So she wrote a total amount of $333.05. If we were to subtract $333.05 from $285.17, the result would be negative $47.88. So our final result is that Darlene wrote $333.05 in checks. That's our final answer.